Welcome, it's JVceo back with another video. Like I promised, I'm standing right in the property, the 10-bedroom converted from a 4-bedroom, and I can honestly say, totally amazing. Like I'm blown away. I'm speechless. The quality, literally everything, down to even the fixtures, the lighting, everything is literally spot on. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and I'll take you through a journey and show you as many bedrooms as we can, because obviously some of these rooms are occupied at the moment. I'll show you the kitchen and show you a couple other bits, and then hopefully at the end we could talk some numbers vaguely, but I can't divulge the exact numbers, but we can talk around it. Anyways, thank you and enjoy the video. Yeah, literally. Everyone says that. How do you turn this on? Right, so anyways, we're going to put our voice down because obviously there's some customers in the building. I'm going to take you through and show you as many bedrooms as I can show you, the kitchen area, the garden, because there's quite a few things going on with the garden in the future, right? And a few other things. Anyways, come along. Let's go. Right, like I said, I'll put my voice down. So we've got, what would you class this as? Is this a small bedroom? Is this a medium-sized bedroom? What is it? Small, medium-sized, yeah? So ensuite has the bathroom in it, a shower head, toilet, literally everything you need. In terms of the numbers, I'd let your imaginations work. So I'm not going to divulge any numbers, unfortunately, but I'd let you figure it out. So what I will say is we're in a good location in Liverpool. That's the most that I can say. The rest of it you can figure it out.
Yo, Sky.
Tommy.
Yo. Hold a square up like a placard. I can make money, all I need is a bank card. The middle to your main. 50 squares deep before I be rich in the game. Should've had a foreign, but I'm seated on the train. Didn't use the 10% of my brain. Used to put money in a watch and a chain and spend a little change and watch them all change. They're all calling me Montclair Sky now. Guess I'm a bit of what they like now. I load a pic to Insta and then sign out. And yo, 100 likes later, I'm the guy now. I might catch a Ubers to a light right now. Talking Woody on the phone, she needs pie now. And yo, I slide in quicker than I slide out. I'm trying to blow a soul, body and the mind out. Too saucy, but I'm bestowing to them's gravy. I'm a Buffy and I got a beard like Santa. It's only right that I slay G. Step to the rave scene, didn't have an 18. Guess the girls date just me, can't wait.
Anyways, so what? How does it work? Bearing in mind you have one kitchen, but it seems as though everything is doubled up, is it?
Everything's doubled.
So double the sink, double the oven space, lot of storage. It's pretty good. It's a huge kitchen. You could probably even have a
Fridge.
Oh wow, you got a fridge right there as well.
Not to empty that.
Not bad, not bad. I like this area. It's little, what would you call that? A dining area, isn't it?
This one, I've noticed this one's not used more because I think people like to look out the window.
What is it?
That one's used a lot more.
Waffle's got a great view, and I don't think I've had enough of it. I ain't balling, gotta budget it. Rob this England just to govern it. Oh, I've been poor, I'm overcoming it. Depression, stressing, yeah, I bugged a bit. The feeling money's so comforting. I need a 5-bedroom with a butler in. Until then, baby, I'm suffering. Until then, baby, I'm hustling. Got gorillas with me, some rough.
4 bedrooms. 4 bedrooms there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's this area like in terms of, because obviously I could see the streets quite filled out. Are there similar properties on the street or?
No, they're all residential properties.
It's all residential. Okay.
A lot of retired. Noticed a lot of retired.
Okay. And how do you deal with, let's say, the council? Like, do you ever get complaints? And
Never. Never. This side's actually soundproofed,
no
and
way.
that side doesn't connect to no house because there's a little alleyway.
Okay.
So there's no, obviously you've got that soundproofing on that side, and this side, this whole wall soundproof.
Okay. I've also noticed that all the rooms have a TV in them. Is that just the big rooms, or is that all the rooms?
All of them, and they're all smart TV, so it prevents all the cable. There's no cable.
Right. Okay. Oh wow. Wow. Okay. Oh wow. I'm home. This is it. What? It's a double bedroom, is it?
Yeah.
This the only double you've got in the place?
Yeah.
Okay. Guessing probably your most popular room, isn't it? Yeah, that's what I think as well. I've got a TV. Wow. I can't get my head around the conversion. How you managed to, essentially speaking, convert what used to be a 4-bedroom, isn't it, to a 10-bedroom. I can't get my head around it. I mean, I've seen the pictures, which I'd put up a few pictures right now, and I've seen the old pictures, but I can't get my head around it. This is good. This is great. So how has coronavirus affected you?
The rates have had to be dropped considerably because of the lack of guests. Obviously, there's no tourist guests now, so we're not hitting that type of audience. We're hitting more of a tradesman audience. So, and we were very limited on what tradesmen were able to work. So it was very limited on that basis.
Even if you're wondering, we was working, it was slumbering. Now the days at the top need numbering. Whoa, bend the rules and get broken. It's either get a job or get to stoving. All these bad women just a token. I ain't hitting thoughts, I'm awoken. Sleeping with me must be joking. Sleeping on me must be joking. All these allegations for promotion. All these rumors, blue was for promoting violence. Pop out, bug out and dodge those sirens. I'm outside if I hear they're sliding. Next day I'm in Fatburger, not by.
Honestly, an amazing property, man. I'm so glad that I went to see it. In terms of the numbers, like I said, I can't talk directly on the numbers, but vaguely, the property does fantastic numbers. When you compare it to, let's say, a HMO, when you compare it to a single let, it does great numbers. Generally speaking, in that area, properties are renting per room on Airbnb and on booking.com. Properties are renting for around, I would say, around £35 to around £60. So you could work your numbers out from that. But yeah, honestly, great property. There's some parts of the properties that I didn't show you, for example, being the rooms, because they had obviously people in them. I think it was a half occupancy the day that I went there. And it's been about that since the coronavirus pandemic, took over. But usually, I mean, that property, they're used to getting, full occupancies at times as well. But anyway, so there are parts of the house that I didn't show you. The rooms being one of those, the small bedrooms. But also the garden. The garden still needs some work, so it's not yet completed. And then there are 2 extra rooms. One of the rooms will be used as an industrial laundry. It's almost like in a basement, because there's a basement as well. Again, you guys didn't see that. And then another room would be used as a storage room for, like, sheets and towels and products and so on and so forth. But yeah, honestly, I was impressed. I was shocked, flabbergasted, all of those stuff. In terms of the area, when I drove into the area, it was really quiet. I would say I actually recognized it being more of an older people's settlement sort of area, which I think is probably a great location, because then from a antisocial behavior point of view, you wouldn't really get any of that. So potentially, in terms of customer satisfaction and peace and quiet, you'd get a lot more of that in that area as well. I then took it upon myself to actually go on bookings.com, and I looked through, and I thought, wow, like, you know what, it's been managed really well. Fantastic reviews. Obviously, there's always the odd stragglers here and there, but fantastic review overall. And most importantly, it seems that property seems to be the top of its class within properties of a similar sort of stature and or in a similar area. All in all, I'll give that an 8 out of 10 conversion. I'll do more of these as well. I'd go around and I'd look at conversions and repairs that have been done recently, and then, you know, do a video on it. The reason why I'll give it an 8 out of 10, like I said, is the uncompleted stuff like the garden, the laundry room, and also the storage room as well. But other than that, most things that a consumer would be looking for, you've got it in there, man. All ensuite, fantastic property. Anyway, so thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you've got any questions about this, then just give me a shout. I probably would try to cover more serviced accommodation stuff in the future as well. But yeah, bam.